Anybody want put me down, go they die. Stepping on them to rise to the top, cause Jaja be my hammer now. I swear one lie, I'm gonna shine. Anybody want put me down, go they die. Stepping on them to rise. Okay, I was afraid of my action at the bar, Ghana Sports Page one, so and I saw trusting. I would win some and I get the air ban, and then somewhere the air ban, I know shit, and yes, I'm going to talk. I'm on a woman coronavirus, that's usual. Educational, episode, echo, and then educational, every year, Tifu Amuti, Ghana Sports Page one, so Oscar name as usual was about him. Oscar, bra, 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 na, and then. Udoni che the way anyama ACT na and you are me boy Jack 45 JAC you take a crack because you know say my family de Bombay yeah family de Bombay yeah say my family de Bombay J anyway my tea no na 2 hours in fact Jack 45 on the boss and we say na oh Asia China na me pese am from tea no me yeah no me to you know see I know they lie cause my family they fight they won't stop my shine let me criticize they say I no go feel make am do or die but I swear my haters all know be God now money come independent success shabra but no I flashing sanye yes so I to be flashing they change what I like chameleon why they jealous me bongoga them say sakawa them say blood money okay internet no and you know open details no open no full etia I think so call that sanity o call the Facebook page the YouTube page ya we be na plenty na be so tina ko kana me coronavirus won something say Charlie say they so tell Europe esonte play again cases no kwani cost and na ye de won say mo eba na yen ya wo tie nkan we Oscar Neymar so na meeting at the St. Martin obetime aframe KT na as usual Monday Owusuwa Teria the company name no Joy Trading Enterprise ono and I be no my shares na ya ba na to say bia fine head me my no na eja or dress here enti me say open tag papa share open so dress na who say yes what dress I know shit and I say one box here open do so poor tour who ya so be je visa Ghana dia ba be mo China baby ya be bia express na e dey send be do so quality the obeka say the same thing and obey dia man ti any there mo ma na mo yetro na ye hwe na bibia so ntimi enko enkan fama na that woman and was stress na ye dey adiba Isaac IT so ka ho bi Oscar Isaac IT na je say iPad ne machines that we use our honey na na say free Isaac IT akachi na Isaac IT opening no or ye bibi wo krodua mu ha na je say o say open electronics say fa no camera wo di gina ba bi atwa we picture bi wo di business ni na no wo do ho bo bi a wo betwa eja wajo afei we na wo do nsa buti na esu krada bi Isaac IT open say hey the iPhone latest iPhone 11 Max Pro ni na no say da egu say gbe e bon so da phone what I say you know Isaac IT you can say you can one sama bebre okay paternal dia ya boko dia fantastic madam Abiba congratulations okay fantastic na madam would you want to share we oboka empenfo a mo hwe Ghana football atumpo no enema na jebe na mu dia gu na kwem efa ema football o ande bebre e ko mo abuba ke dia ka e wo se ka pe dia ya atwa support the speaker with the ability to be free man and then the player that can be number one can just have the offer and the first and that's all because I can play right after NCC
Bible sem eba and some no as usual dear can so kwa any new ones no better and afresh no they already what system no so no new development obeti e ho tsem e wo yedwumadi so we do the Ghana Football Association and some bebre na e boba how to folk so the baba tudwa say omoso e wo edem points bi omo peso omo je na e ho tsem na ye de ba nche ye e na GFA disciplinary committee no omo eje points etimi eje ema Accra Great Olympics Olimashi Olympics computer Brazil every medema hono na sisi an nsem na bobaba ma Accra voice for chese say the boardroom points e ho de a omo so case pa na ye sa case no ye Ebremo life e Ghana Sports Big One so medema fale api e dey against sa decision ya this no etimi eteke on nsem ye basan so na asante kotokofo so nsem bebre na omo chese COVID-19 no omo ebe test players ni na I want to say a general manager Hedema Asante Kotoko referring to Bibi Coca on the cast and we don't tell them Brekum Chelsea coach so a part way with them or call Chrome or Kaku holidays. Yeah, they want to tell about him and also all my Biuminano and the higher and our Obeti and some coronavirus as usual updates or Ghana football. Now, Oscar Brown, opening coronavirus and I think it's a footballers now or Mudi no Diablo Ghana. Coronavirus, no, now a story say some players in the United tested positive.
Oh, the Bray and Rakra, Juventus, Italy. Player once I tested positive. Blaise Matuidi.
And they want some okay. I will say you check players in the also more. And this on when you were born, no when you coronavirus, no different places on the other. Now, me the say. A team like Asante Kotoko has to fuck any other clubs. Who break home for 2 weeks, for 1 week, for 10 days. I don't have any problem. But make sure say, Mukro. Campuomo.
Yeah, I just said it.
Also, was you understand? Because that break I must say, Obia Fanko sign a bush for breaking. This break now, you're breaking on. I must Obia Fanko Chrome. And cosa ne busuafo enti o se Asante Kotoko se hanyo o mu painfo e camp players no o mu ni kan test emrante ni nyina obi an test negative na fe o mu asoro ti o mu kama o make sure say they don't o mu be follow the precaution necessary because it's a who job player am na fa ka akọ e bi attack rally e bi akra e bi akumase unim de okoye o no banner say after 2 weeks no back no they are getting the back so they are back camp
yeah
or the back camp will be a baby intimate football administrators now this is a warning, it's a signal to you should not allow your players to go. Make sure say because this breaking we be players in Africa
yeah
it I say why employ why they have to still be our camp
yeah
and you cause some players more call the number be.
Yeah,
because any fresh one and they say will be a coffee and go rest. Debbie, you should keep them. Then you give them necessary medical attention. They will come. Now after say no man, be you okay. Now my
if you have my
of course you wouldn't Ghana for wouldn't Ghana players. They mad over here. Or Quacoya Massam, obey no matter what you are going obey. I feel obey more or Quaga guy crack, you see. And Oscar, coronavirus, no, and my dedication can cry by never say it was so. I think say some of the Ghanaians or moon name how if it's a protection. Who names a coronavirus? No, I did hear a face mask and any nose mask.
Yeah.
Ghana for air sanitizers and who no mukumu sanitizers who no mukumu. Mr. Mo Ghana by say when say His Excellency the Republic of Ghana Nana do Danko of one Nana de Kasauti into the obey Nana Mesro nose mask surgical ones in a yearful. Nana mesremos kana mu twaye no mu fa bi nto na mu fa bi ma DC bia no want to chairman enkofo on the communities na prevent higher dey because a Jesus man no ma be hu wo Ghana a Jesus say a Jesus mu sisi a on and na ma be gidi Oscar ya report say nipa 7 enye bi o Ghana na me busa o
7
nipa 7 enye bi o confirmed confirmed nipa 7 na me busa say that nipa 7 no omo ba Ghana no omo no obi enya contact ana yima no omo no obi enya contact ana Oscar yima no
say nipa 7 ni na omo nyina efri
different omo ba we free US we free France we free Turkey omo no obi enya contact just answer me
airplane na omo fire
enya airplane ko mbe du Ghana no omo ne omo busuafo nya contact
sankofo no omo ye den
omo wan omo tima trace omo ehu sankofo no so na omo no omo nya contact no omo dey spread ko enti eye me den it's a one case BC University of Ghana Lagos na nipa no wonya bi ne yetimi asoro ti ne yetimi akampo no you understand na okọ no so no according to report 2 or 3 days no okọ lectures ne ade onya contact with students no one definitely into those people no more into I will be expecting say enkaya na so say ye banning all school like universities no close school down no they should not allow any student to move out
and no say be juma enforcement
they should not allow any students to move out look omo ye na obi afare bag eko na wo no wo fa bag akọ no de ama no ono no na benya contact wanya na ode ko na kra bi ase into better choice
because right now oko Germany ni Italy na dia asuja for ni
Oscar mo ma ye no fa ni ago mo ma ye fa coronavirus ni ago e ya dia anu washi e ya dia ehu e virus wo mo enter into your system no ma o mo say we immune system no within a short time now ko
asem Charlie asem pa
Ghana American ba mesaka Canada Japan ne other celebrities am wo Ghana na yesremo we Ghanaians need your help Ghana enya no ne president of Ghana enya people ne bi say enya citizen enya be Ghana na Ghana mu amasadi we ntimi weki mu nyina mu anasadi we nye enya kasa Canada Japan I know you utimi say utimi ehwehwemu kama mbesa beka enti mesra mo Canada Japan you hwehwe mo na ya wo ye no fa bo na mo ye hwehwe mo na mo trace those people na o mo no nya contact na mo trace o na mo put o mo into isolation na enti me emwa enti sad ya ele mo dia bo
a growing span
one time person Oscar one time person make am say ya dey we ba you know as if say it's just a mere virus. But it's not just a mere virus. Yeah, dear, it's cool. And the people that told me say, Nipatuntum, ye immune system into me, which is a liar. A BC China, Ghana and India, because you follow the necessary precautions, you follow ye. Oko Ghana, and yet, mask on one share, nose mask on one share. Now, what is someone saying? And no penny here now, there be the necessary thing must be done. Oscar, China, offer taxi, any part of send a fat taxi. And you want to die on a Ghana, any part of send a fat taxi. Any part 3 or 4. It is a man, Mamma crying, I buy a breaking machine, come across, I'm a fat taxi, and I'm a fat and I'm a fat trottoir. Look, say, be a woman. Look, anybody do I'm the best or carnival. And if care is not taken right now, we should enforce. Let us enforce the rules and regulations. Let us enforce the measures that Ghana president has brought it out. Let us help to enforce it. The security service, the security agencies, in fact, they should help.
So a brother say
they should go to various supermarkets. And when the look at this, some supermarkets near the Adina, they don't have even thermometer check you. They don't have. It's only say yes over there. Also check in the temperature. If it is high, if it is low, you have to check. Say normal. And you check in normal, but it means and no crime, it means boy.
You're lucky name, actually.
Who checking in normal and who checking in normal straight away or hospital for treatments. But Ghana for the no make yes, Ramo, and yet hand sanitizers in Kuna, nose mask is very important. And also, let's all be at home. Mumayen traffic, Mumayen try and demo. na yɛn bɔ yɛn ho ba ɛyɛ me no mienu ɛna bɛma ɔman asipi if care is not taken a wo ka sɛ man kɔ adwuma me ɛdɛ na didi man kɔ na wo kɔ na konya virus mi na wu so ɛ me bu sa wo kɔ na konya virus mi na wu ɛ
sɛ na usika ha wo kɔ pɛ no na
muma yɛn hyɛ yɛ dan mu muma yɛn hyɛ yɛ dan mu na yɛn fa mboa na ɔman ntimi ɛnkɔ so kama me deɛ ne sɛ me mirror ho kakra ne sɛ the way a man e come obeka so boas e bi ni ho o second e bi ni ho ye na ye okroma most of the cities a single case grand one ye lucky upie kokroma unwo bia cars nyina ya lucky ya block road no cars nya adwuma obia se ni dem otwe no ko Ghana ko ne ko hwe
o mo ye games ni ade chale but there was a security service na omubwa because and then in the oko Italy you chose onam kroma ye be arrest
you chose onam krona won share mask nose mask ye be arrest
because near we no o de ade a esu na wo de ba
ade esu na eba
ye no efisisi anu omura ha obubia na wo just anyway why because almost cases you know just 7 almost say me tea and say yes the whole country no just 7 cases but little do we know say ye nim say sana nipa 7 no betimi spread e ma nipa bebre
okay enti sampinesi etie abushafo anti corona ho update ne ye de aba no ye de agudemu sem na earth for so